Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video we will have a look at a bunch of brand new Cimo knives. It's the Hydroline that just got launched this week. There we see the more information. This is basically the new line from Cimo, Brazil, a traditional company, knife making company there. I'm still gonna do a video about the history of Cimo. I met them first time at the Blade Show 2026 in Atlanta, and this is the Hydroline. This line is different than what they usually do because that is made in China and not made in Brazil, but it has a high quality and also Brazilian design. We see there some of the different models that they have. What we have is basically a liner lock knife with and without the flipper. Here we have the most luxury version. We have a Damascus steel blade with titanium liner and a carbon fiber as a scale material. Then on the back side we see they have a smaller version as well in different variety with and without the flipper, also in a turquoise blue aluminium anodized color, and there we see the green one, the green anodized version, and here we have a black one. So yeah, let's dive in and have a look at those knives. All knives come in a typical Hydroline box. We see a high quality box with two magnetic lids. We see there some more information on that. As we open the front and this part here, we can open that part here, and then we see already one of the knives. So we have a typical packaging here with the foam. That's just the plastic that is around the knife, and we have a lanyard there as well. As we look at the first knife, this is the version with silverish titanium gray color, anodized aluminium, G10 part of the handle there with 3 openings. We see it's the version with the flipper at the end of the blade. We have also a G10 spacer and of course a deep carry clip. The clip is reversible if you want to do that, so you can put it on both sides. And in this case we have a black blade with cutout left and right, so you could open it like that too if you don't want to use the flipper. The flipper is as usual, you can flip it open. All those knives, by the way, use ball bearings on the washer, and we have here the knife in the open position. For all the technical details, I'm gonna put the link to the Cimo Hydro knives line on the comments on the video as well, so you can look for yourself. We see typical liner lock there, and yeah, a good, I would say, medium to bigger size knife. This is the larger version, so with my big hand the fingers fit really well on the handle there. Nice to use, easy to open and to close, again with the flipper or simply like that. We have a nice flat ground slicer blade in a drop point shape, really nice made. So that was the first one. Put that back into the box. Then let's go on the second one. Same box, as with all the items. I'm gonna do that behind the camera, it's a bit easier. We have here the all black version with the flipper, the smaller version, so we have the top part again in aluminium, the bottom part here is G10, the spacer as well, typical deep carry clip, nice silver color aluminium accents there in it, and again we can use the flipper or simply the slot there left and right. So we have that blade, nice drop point blade too, fully flat ground, so a nice slicer. There we have some more information as well. Now this I'm gonna leave here, and then we look at the next knife, about the size. Of course it's a smaller version too, that's okay. So that's the next version. We see here green anodized aluminium with the black G10, so same design as this one, same size, just with a silver color blade there with gold accents by the handle, and then we can open it. This one is without the flipper. As we look at that, it's exactly the same size, just a flat ground blade is more in a satin finish instead of black, but the main design is the same. Then off to the next one. Here we have the most expensive one, the Damascus version. This is the bigger version. They did not make yet a smaller version in Damascus. So we have aluminium, carbon fiber, and that on both sides. We have a millet clip in this case there. It's also reversible, you can put it on the other side. So you see it's a nice millet clip, deep carry clip that you have there. And of course the same design lines as with the other item, with the other knife. And there we see the Damascus blade, really nice done, nice edge, easy to see. We see the lines on top as well. Remember the liners, the hidden liners are titanium on this model. Really nice done, the whole knife. Typical liner lock as we have it here, easy to use, easy to press. No flipper on that version, so it is with those grooves left and right hand. And also as we look here, we see the size difference between the bigger one, the regular size, and the smaller one. So it's quite a difference. Again, the technical details are then on the website. So this is the nicest one, the highest quality of all of them. Really nice done. Then off to the next one. Here we also have a bigger variety, this time with aluminium bolsters, and the full back part here is G10. On top it has texturing, on the bottom it's millet smooth. Same deep carry clip, open top design with a G10 spacer. In this case no flipper, and the typical grooves left and right, so you can open it up like this. A nice satin finished blade there, good size. Again, compared to the smaller one, there you see the difference of that. Then we look at the next one. That's a variety of the one that we just did look at. In this case we have black aluminium with the black G10, 3 holes in the scales there, so you see the blade through it. Again, deep caddy pocket clip that it is reversible. In this case no flipper, and the grooves in the blade, so you can easily one hand open the item. Again, liner lock, same basic design as the other ones, just with different coloring as a different version. Then we come to the last one. The last version is again a smaller version, this time with the flipper, aluminium, silver, titanium color with the G10 and gold anodized aluminium accent, black clip in this case, also deep caddy, and again of course a flipper, so we can flip it and use it that way. Black blade, fully flat ground, nice size, and basically similar to this one, just with the gold and the silver accents compared to the silver with black. So they played quite a bit with the coloring there, a different variety. Quality wise they are really well made, CNC made, good quality materials and all that, nice packaging, and the both sizes are perfect for everyday carry. The smaller one especially, that is lighter and easier to carry. Because of the liner lock system that they use, they are secure, the blade will not fold on you. That all works, and then you have to select if you want to have a flipper tab or just the slot, the millet part on the blade to open it up. Depending on how the pivot point is adjusted for more or less tension, you can personalize that as you like it, and then it's easier or less easy to open with one hand. It also depends where you live. Maybe one hand opening knives are not that welcomed by the local law, so you can adjust that there too. So this is a brand new line for Cimo in Brazil. Cimo makes knives for decades in Brazil in their own factory. I did already make quite a bit of videos, and more gonna come. And that Cimo Hydroline that we just saw here, that is then made offshore and in one of the biggest OEM factories over in China, to a high quality standard with the design requirements and the design made in Brazil by Cimo themselves. So if you have a chance, have a look at it. I'm sure we're gonna have it next year, 2027, at the Blade Show in Atlanta, and in time quite likely I'm gonna post about it, where we stand. Maybe by then there are already some more different Cimo knives available as well. With that, that's about it.